Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, March 3rd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something you eat that comes from the ocean. Number 2 is the opposite of to stand up. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We will buy some seafood. We will buy some seafood. Seafood. Things that people eat that come from the ocean, also called the sea, including fish. Fish is seafood. Now we can make a card. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, seafood. S-E-A-F-O-O-D. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. Over here the number 42 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Very good. C. Food. Seafood. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer sits down every day. Jennifer sits down every day. Sits down. She stops walking and rests on a chair. Now we can make a card for sit down. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To sit down. Down here the category VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. Over here the number 58 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Sit down. Sit down. Game over. That was fun. You did very well today. Number 1 is seafood. Very nice. Do you eat seafood? Let me know in the comments. Number 2 is not to stand up. It is to sit down. Very nice. Are you sitting down now? And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is another word for a movie. Film. Very nice, with an I. Number 2 is a place where you can put things that you don't need every day. A storage room. Very good, with an R. And the last one means to say something to somebody. Mention. Excellent. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. please write your language on the other side of the card. We have a rotating schedule. You can join anytime, and then you learn for 2 years, and then you graduate.